What if I told you that you could start earning up to $10,000 a month without having to quit your day job or even leave your couch? It might sound too good to be true, but passive income is no longer just a buzzword. It's a reality for thousands of people, and it's more accessible than ever. From selling simple digital templates to starting a YouTube channel that pays you while you sleep, there are endless opportunities to build streams of income that work for you, even when you're not working. Today, I'm sharing 15 tried and true passive income ideas that anyone can start in 2024. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income or dreaming of financial freedom, there's something on this list for everyone. So grab a notepad, hit that like button for more life-changing tips, and let's jump into the first idea: selling templates. Let's kick things off with the selling templates, a simple yet lucrative way to earn passive income. Templates are pre-designed formats that people can use for resumes, presentations, websites, or even financial tracking spreadsheets. Businesses and individuals love these ready-to-use resources because they save time and look professional. Example, take Notion templates, for instance. A creator named Thomas sold customized templates for this popular organization app and made over $534,000 in 1 year. By catering to a platform with high demand and adding functionality like automations, he turned simple designs into a money-making machine. Opportunity score. I'd rate this one a 9 out of 10. It's beginner-friendly, has a low startup cost, and can be scaled easily. If you're thinking, what's next? Let's explore an idea where you can invest without lifting a finger. Real estate investment trusts. Investing in REITs. REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you dive into the real estate market without the hassle of owning property. Think of it like buying shares of real estate portfolios. When these properties earn income, you get a cut through dividends. Example, REITs are ideal for diversification. Imagine instead of relying on one rental property, you're earning from 1,000 properties worldwide. And the best part? By law, REITs must pay out 90% of taxable profits as dividends, so it's a steady income stream. Opportunity score. This one gets a solid 8 out of 10. It's low effort and great for risk diversification, but the returns depend heavily on market conditions. But if passive income to you means creativity, then our next idea, selling educational worksheets, is perfect. Selling educational worksheets. Education never goes out of style, and selling educational worksheets taps into a massive market. Parents homeschooling kids or teachers looking for resources are willing to pay for well-crafted, ready-to-use materials. Example, take Michelle, a creator who made $400,000 per year selling educational printables like study guides and lesson plans online. With platforms like Etsy, it's easier than ever to upload your designs and reach a global audience. Opportunity score? I'd give this an 8.5 out of 10. The initial work can take some effort, but once your designs are up, the income is nearly hands-free. Speaking of hands-free, let's talk about an idea that thrives on digital real estate: buying and selling blogs or domains. Buying and selling blogs or domains. Here's a hustle that combines patience with profit. Flipping blogs or domains. It's as simple as buying undervalued websites or domain names, adding value, and selling them at a higher price. Example, one entrepreneur bought a blog for $50, polished it, and sold it for $5,000 after a few months. Others have flipped domain names, capitalizing on trending terms like NFTs, to earn tens of thousands of dollars in profit. Opportunity score. This one scores an 8 out of 10. It's accessible, but success depends on your eye for valuable domains or blogs. Now, if you're feeling ambitious, let's explore an idea with massive potential: creating apps or extensions. Creating apps or extensions. Building an app or browser extension can transform your life, but let's be real, it's not as passive upfront. If you have a great idea and the technical know-how, or can outsource the work, you could create something that generates income for years. Example, remember the app Sumly? A teenager created it to summarize news articles and sold it to Yahoo for a whopping $30 million. Another example is Chad, a real estate agent who built a simple app that earned him $112,000 per month in sales just after launching. Opportunity score. This idea gets a 7 out of 10 because it requires significant upfront work, but the earnings ceiling is sky high. Prefer something simpler yet just as impactful? Let's talk about developing and selling online courses. Developing and selling online courses. If you've ever mastered a skill or have knowledge others want to learn, creating and selling online courses can be a game changer. With platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare, it's easier than ever to turn expertise into a steady income stream. Example, a former high school teacher earned over $1 million teaching coding online. He initially priced his course at just $19.99 and scaled it into a highly profitable business. Once the course is created, it practically sells itself, especially on platforms that handle marketing for you. Opportunity score. I'd rate this one a 9 out of 10. The upfront work takes time, but the potential for passive income is incredible. Speaking of investment-heavy opportunities, let's take a look at the rental real estate properties. Rental real estate property. Rental real estate has always been a popular way to generate income. By owning properties and renting them out, you can enjoy steady monthly cash flow. While it's not entirely passive, unless you hire a property manager, it's a proven strategy to build wealth. Example, a 33-year-old investor with 4 rental properties makes $111,000 a month in cash flow. Another individual turned an Airbnb rental into enough profit to buy their own home within a year. Opportunity score. This scores an 8 out of 10. The income is substantial, but managing tenants or hiring help can add extra effort. Now, if real estate feels too high maintenance, why not start a YouTube channel instead? Starting a YouTube channel. If you're watching this, chances are you already know the power of YouTube. Creating video content on a niche topic can generate ad revenue, sponsorships, and even product sales for years to come. Each video becomes a little soldier working for you 24/7. Example, many creators, including myself, make 6 figures per month simply by teaching others skills or sharing valuable content. The beauty of YouTube is that you don't need fancy equipment or a huge following to start earning. Opportunity score? A perfect 10 out of 10 for accessibility and scalability. It's one of the best opportunities out there. If content creation isn't your style, you can still make passive income by starting a vending machine or ATM business. Vending machines, ATM businesses. Vending machines and ATMs offer an easy way to make money with minimal effort. Once the machine is stocked, it works autonomously, and you only need to collect cash or restock it occasionally. Example, a 31-year-old turned a vending machine side hustle into a $300,000 business, working just 4 hours a week. Even smaller setups can pay off, like a $1,600 machine that grosses $400 a month, paying for itself in just 4 months. Opportunity score. This idea earns a 7.5 out of 10 for simplicity and profitability. Ready for something more tech-savvy? Let's talk about membership websites. Membership websites. Membership websites generate monthly recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services to paying subscribers. Whether it's a private community, tutorials, or premium downloads, monthly recurring revenue is highly attractive to investors and entrepreneurs. Example, one creator built a membership site that made $10,000 per month within 6 months. Businesses love the predictability of recurring income, and you can scale this idea over time. Opportunity score. This one gets an 8.5 out of 10, as it requires either an engaged audience or a valuable niche offering. Speaking of niches, let's dive into lead generation websites, a hidden gem in the passive income world. Lead generation websites. Lead generation websites collect contact information from potential customers and sell those leads to businesses. Think of it as helping companies find clients while earning a nice commission. Example, a Reddit user reported turning lead generation into a 7-figure business, selling leads for roofing contractors at $15 per lead. For higher-end services, lead prices can climb into the hundreds. Opportunity score, a 9 out of 10 for scalability and profit potential, though it requires upfront effort to build the website and traffic. Now, if you're more of a risk taker, let's explore startup investments as a passive income option. Startup investments. Investing in startups can yield massive returns if you choose wisely. Platforms like Start Engine make it easy to support new companies and own a stake in their success. Example, actor Ashton Kutcher turned startup investments into a $250 million portfolio, backing companies like Uber and Airbnb. While this approach carries more risk, the payoff can far exceed traditional investing. Opportunity score, a 7 out of 10 for its high reward but equally high risk. If you prefer something steady and proven, blogging might be your go-to strategy. Blogging. Blogging has stood the test of time as a powerful passive income tool. By creating a niche blog with high-quality content, you can earn through ads, affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or even online courses. Example, many successful bloggers report earning 6-figure incomes within 2 years. While it takes patience to build traffic, the beauty of blogging lies in its longevity. Articles you write today can generate income for years. Opportunity score, a solid 9 out of 10. It requires upfront work and patience, but the scalability and long-term potential are unmatched. Now, if writing isn't your strength, let's talk about creating and selling digital products, a highly creative way to earn online. Creating and selling digital products. Digital products like ebooks, printables, or software tools offer a low-cost way to create something once and sell it repeatedly. The beauty of digital products is their infinite scalability and zero inventory. Example, a designer who sold printable planners on Etsy made over $100,000 in 1 year, all from products they created in a single weekend. With platforms like Gumroad and Etsy, anyone can set up a digital store. Opportunity score, a 9 out of 10 for its creative freedom and profitability with minimal ongoing effort. But what if you don't want to create products yourself? That's where the licensing or royalty-based ventures come into play. Licensing or royalty-based ventures. Licensing your work or earning royalties is like getting paid to let others use your creations. Whether it's music, art, software, or even patents, this model allows you to earn without constant involvement. Example, artists who license their music for commercials or movies can earn thousands in royalties long after the work is created. Similarly, inventors who license patents can enjoy consistent income without starting a business themselves. Opportunity score, a 9 out of 10 for those with existing skills or intellectual property, though it may require networking to find the right partners. And there you have it, 15 diverse ways to generate passive income and start building your financial future. Let's wrap it up. Here's the truth about passive income. Success rarely happens overnight. Whether it's growing a YouTube channel, selling worksheets, or building a lead generation website, the key is consistency. It might take months or even years before you see significant returns. But trust me, those who stick with it reap the biggest rewards. Take blogging, for example. Many bloggers spend their first year grinding with little to no income. But once their articles gain traction, they can enjoy years of steady revenue with minimal upkeep. Similarly, a successful YouTube channel can become a long-term asset, earning for decades with no extra effort on old content. Patience and persistence turn ideas into income streams. Every video uploaded, every product created, and every effort invested today lays the foundation for a future where your money works harder than you do. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this How to Make Money video and found the content interesting and informative. Please like and leave a comment and your questions below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.